Hello, today we will be trying to upload files from our local system to interface in Web 3.5 OS. And right now we are creating the files ourselves here, and we can create new files, other things. But most of the time, the real use case will be selecting files from our file system and importing here. So let's try to improve that import pipeline for us, and I will be using Cursor today. So we have the system, and I would like to check if the server is working. Yes, it's working. Now, what we want to do is allowing drag and drop. I would like to import files from local file system. Allow drag and drop into left files pane. So let's write that, and I would like to show that in the file system I am having, we can have some sample text file, and then that text file will be uploaded into the local storage of the web interface here. It is still local, but it's web interface local. So let's see. So these are some CSS updates, styling updates. This is the handle just JavaScript event that handles the drag and drop. And then, so these are all the changes. Let's see, accept all, and let's control the things over there. And it should be in ID here, handle. Let's analyze a little bit. Drag and drop, right? Here, the sidebar, is it the sidebar? For example, what is this? This is the sidebar, yes. And then in the sidebar, and these are all the events added into it. So these are highlighting, unhighlighting, handle dropping, all these things are included. The upload file is the thing, that file name content is included. Let's see what happens if we execute that. Just refresh. I think we don't need the peer.js connection here. This is just in a single peer that is happening. But if we take this one and go into the browser, I want to be able to do that. Yeah, this is the drag and drop, you see, and it came and it's named as text properly. So let's look at the file naming. That is working very well, and it's very fast, you can see. Now upload file is the file reader, and it's a input element that reads a file, right? A file reader on load. And I think, do we need to add any index HTML thing here? I think it doesn't seem like it. So maybe browser is able to do it automatically for us. It's so if the file name, how the file name is obtained is by this file.name. From the file name, it's an event on load operation, and then file imported. In the console we should see file imported text. Now I would like to do that for the similar image files, but I think image files may not be displayed as I'm expecting. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you can see this is an image file, but it doesn't properly display it. It's not a text, but we want to delete that file. Delete. Okay, and let's say okay, that works good. Now for imported image files, I would like to display them as images, not as text files. So it should handle that part. Then there need to be some file extension check. Let's see what happens. So the save files, I think in the display only, the file could stay like that, as the, like you see, there is some conditions. File type starts with image. Yeah, it's changing the file internally, image that like this, um, and is image is stored like that, I think. File name, file name gets is image. File type start with image. I think this is HTML. File type check and accept file. So let's go to that location again, upload file function. Let go. This is the it. If it starts with image, so it will be an image file. Is image, right? The type is stored like that. Type image, content, original file name. Else it is directly kept as text, and the content is displayed if type is image. Read data as URL thing. So this is image. Read data as URL, and then read data as text. Reader reading operation is working according to if it is image or not. Now accept file. Next file. These are the CSS elements. So let's try again. Let's refresh the page and go to the file. I want to be able to go like this. Then yeah, it's an image, an icon PNG. So this is not, cannot be edited. These are the samples. Now let's go into the peer and see if we can do the similar things. It's connected, so we can see these things. Yeah, we can see the files in the peer. That is working, and it was simple. It took less than my expectation. Thank you for that. Bye.